Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at the Kodak Digital Picture Frame. I have always wanted one, and I am so excited to unbox this one with you and review all this picture frame has to offer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Words cannot express how excited I was when Kodak contacted me to review this product. Like, when I tell you I really wanted one and I was just like, I don't know. And they finally sent it to me. I was super excited to open up this box. So this is the classic photo frame, which is Wi-Fi enabled. And this is the 10-inch version. So shout out to Kodak. You guys are awesome. And I'm super excited to get into this. All right, so as you can see, there are three different color frames, the neutral color and more of a black, grayish color. And the color that I have is more of a brownish finish to the frame. Now this frame is great as a gift. It's great as just something that you want to put on your desktop, something that you want to put right near your bed, because it does have other features other than just showing pictures, as you'll see. So upon opening the box, you do have your manual, which shows you how to use it. So if you're interested in taking a look at that, definitely do, because there's a lot of features in there that you want to access. You also get this little foot so that you can perch it on your desktop, as I said before, or if you want to put it right by your nightstand, you can do that as well. You do get a charger, and it has to always be connected in order for it to work, and also a USB cord. And this is the picture frame. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this protective film. And now let's take a look at the back of our picture frame. So the back has different places where you can actually hang it on the wall if you would like, and another place where we can actually put the foot in. It has an on-off switch right on the back and right there. And it also has places where you can hang it up with nails if you want on the wall, or use this piece that it comes with to place in the other hole. So it becomes like a little foot that you can either put it in portrait mode or in horizontal landscape mode. So it depends how you want your pictures to be displayed. You can just turn it around and, you know, it'll fit your needs. So the next thing I want to show you is that the frame is removable. So if you have another color frame and you want to change it, there were other colors that were displayed on the box, if you remembered in the beginning of the video. If you want to remove this frame and add another frame, you can do that as well. At the bottom here, you see that there are things that you can plug in right here. So your SD card, USB, you know, and the power cord as well. So there's different ways for you to add pictures into this device. Just remember to use this frame, it must always be plugged in, which can be a plus, I guess, in a way. But for me, I feel like it's, you know, we should have things that are cordless. And if I want to move the frame somewhere, I don't want to have it plugged in. So I guess this could be a negative as well. Or if it doesn't stay in one place, it doesn't matter. But I kind of feel like if I want to put it on the wall, I don't want a wire hanging down, you know? So you have to make sure you hide that wire somehow. But just know that you do have to have it plugged in order for this to work. All right, so let's see how this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, flip it over so you guys can also see. And you see here, it says Kodak. All right, so we're starting it up. We're going to select English or whatever language you want it to be at, and also the time zone, and you're going to put your internet connection. Once you're done with that, you're going to see your Kodak digital frame pop up right in front of you. It has an album, music section, it has a photo section, it has a calendar, weather, it has so many different things that you can do, even videos. So you're gonna just select whichever you want, and depending on what you have in your SD card, your USB, you can select how you want those things to be uploaded. All right, so here is a look at the calendar. It's actually beautiful. Once you get your photos in there, a photo will appear on the side. So if you want to have just the view of a calendar on your screen, you can do that. It just doesn't have any functionality to it. It just shows you the dates. You can go forward, backwards, and then it'll also show you the picture on the side. And here is what it looks like to see the weather. So based on where you're located, I'm located in New York. So you can see here that it shows you the weather right off the bat. So if that's what you want to see, you will see that. Now we can go into the settings, and there's different ways to upload photos. You can use this QR code. You can use, like I said before, SD card, a USB. You can use Bluetooth, email. There's so many different ways to upload photos into your frame. So off camera, I used the QR code and uploaded my pictures. And once you do that, it'll ask you to make your account. You click on your name and you'll see your photos pop up. So you will have to download an app on your phone to do this. Once you get the QR code, it will directly ask you to download the app. And the app will upload pictures from your phone, from any other source as well, and it will use the internet connection or Bluetooth, I believe it is, to upload right into your frame. As you can see here, once you get the picture, you can, orient it however you'd like, depending on how you want the frame to be. If you want it to be in landscape or portrait mode, and you'll be able to swipe through all your new pictures, see what you want, see what you want to crop, what you want to edit, and loop them once or twice, depending how many seconds. There's so many different options in this frame. It's amazing, and I'm super in love with it. After uploading all my pictures, I wanted to show you what the calendar would look like once you have uploaded all your pictures. So you just tap on calendar and you can see my picture is also uploaded right in that little circle. It's really cute. I think it's also a nice way to portray your photos, as well as it being a functional screen so that you can see the date. Sometimes you just need to look at the calendar, which I really like. I kind of wish that you could add appointments in there. Like if you clicked on it, you could add appointments or add important dates in there as well. That would make this even more functional. So maybe Kodak, you can do that. But overall, I'm really in love with this, and I like the digital frame. I'm able to change the pictures. You can even put one picture if you want and change it up. So there's so many different things that you can do with this, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you're going to purchase it, please comment down below. I'm so thankful and grateful for every single one of you for always watching my videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.